welcome to our trivia night. We're excited to have you all here and test your knowledge with some fun quizzes. We'll be reviewing the correct answers after the 10 questions, so get ready to see how well you did. Let's get started with the first quiz, and don't forget to share your scores in the comments below. Good luck! Question number 1. How many teeth do adults have, including wisdom teeth? A. 28. B. 32. C. 36. Question number 2. Which naval battle was won by the British fleet led by Admiral Lord Nelson in 1805? A. Battle of Trafalgar. B. Battle of Jutland. C. Battle of Midway. Battle of Trafalgar. Question number 3. How many years was the reign of Queen Victoria? A. 63 years. B. 71 years. C. 80 years. "63 years." Question number 4. Which author wrote the James Bond series? A. John le Carré. B. Robert Ludlum. C. Ian Fleming. Ian Fleming. Question number 5. In which U.S. city is Grey's Anatomy set? A. New York City. B. Seattle. C. Los Angeles. Seattle. Question number 6. Which country governs the region of Patagonia? A. Argentina. B. Chile. C. Peru. Argentina. Question number 7. What is the highest waterfall in the world? A. Niagara Falls. B. Victoria Falls. C. Angel Falls. Angel Falls. Question number 8. What is a baby kangaroo called? A. Joey. B. Cub. C. Pup. Joey. Question number 9. Which African country was formerly known as Zaire? A. Rwanda. B. Congo. C. Cameroon. Congo. Question number 10. A game of chess is won when there is no way for which piece to escape capture? A. King. B. Queen. C. Bishop. King. Well done. You've completed the 10 multiple-choice questions. Let's review the answers. Question number 1. How many teeth do adults have, including wisdom teeth? The correct answer is B, 32. Adult humans usually have 32 teeth, including the 4 wisdom teeth that typically develop in the late teens or early 20s. Question number 2. Which naval battle was won by the British fleet led by Admiral Lord Nelson in 1805? The correct answer is A, Battle of Trafalgar. The Battle of Trafalgar was a naval engagement fought by the British Royal Navy against the combined fleets of the French and Spanish navies during the Napoleonic Wars. The battle took place on October 21, 1805, off the coast of Cape Trafalgar, Spain. Question number 3. How many years was the reign of Queen Victoria? The correct answer is A, 63 years. Queen Victoria reigned over the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland from June 20, 1837 until her death on January 22, 1901, a period of 63 years and 7 months. This is the longest reign of any British monarch in history. Question number 4. Which author wrote the James Bond series? The correct answer is C, Ian Fleming. Ian Fleming was a British author, journalist, and naval intelligence officer who is best known for creating the fictional spy character James Bond. Fleming wrote 12 James Bond novels and 2 collections of short stories featuring the character. Question number 5. In which U.S. city is Grey's Anatomy set? The correct answer is B, Seattle. Grey's Anatomy is an American medical drama television series that premiered on the American Broadcasting Company, ABC, on March 27, 2005. The series is set in Seattle, Washington, and follows the lives of surgical interns, residents, and attendings as they navigate the complexities of their personal and professional relationships. Question number 6. Which country governs the region of Patagonia? The correct answer is A, Argentina. Patagonia is a region located at the southern end of South America, spanning the lower sections of Argentina and Chile. While both countries have a claim over the region, the Argentine government governs the majority of the area. Question number 7. What is the highest waterfall in the world? The correct answer is C, Angel Falls. Angel Falls is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, with a height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, and a plunge of 807 meters, 2,648 feet. The waterfall is located in the Canaima National Park in the Gran Sabana region of Venezuela. Question number 8. What is a baby kangaroo called? The correct answer is A, joey. A joey is a baby kangaroo, wallaby, or other marsupial. The young are born at a very early stage of development and continue to develop outside the mother's body, usually in a pouch. Question number 9. Which African country was formerly known as Zaire? The correct answer is B, Congo. Zaire was the name of the Democratic Republic of the Congo between 1971 and 1997. The country was renamed the Democratic Republic of the Congo in 1997 after the overthrow of the government led by Mobutu Sese Seko. Question number 10. A game of chess is won when there is no way for which piece to escape capture? The correct answer is A, king. In the game of chess, the objective is to checkmate the opponent's king, which means putting the king under an attack from which it cannot escape capture, i.e., moving to a safe square. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun answering these trivia questions and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more fun quizzes and trivia challenges. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any suggestions for future videos or topics you'd like to see covered, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers and want to make sure I'm creating content that you enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.